everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. I'm back again with another clean with me. For Valentine's Day, I'm doing the house red, white, gold, silver, and all the glam stuff. Okay guys, let's get started. I wanted a bit extra because whenever somebody come into the house, when you open the front door, that's the first thing gonna say good morning to you. So I wanted to do something like wow. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first to know. For the Valentine's Day, so it's a great time to celebrate love, and I'm so grateful guys, and I love you all for your support, and thank you so much, because without your support I will not be where I am today. So thank you so much. Keep watching. I'm changing the carpet because the other one that I had, it's not bad honestly, but I wanted something more neutral. This is not too neutral actually, but it's prettier, and then it's a better quality. So this one I can do more, give me more option when I'm decorating with other colors. The other one was like, it was a royal blue, but I like this one better. I'm going to let the music play. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you guys do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up, and like I said before, subscribe and keep on watching. I hope my video inspire you to get moving and get some cleanup done. So because it's so great when your house is clean and fresh. I don't know why, but this red is so gorgeous. I ordered it at Wayfair, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below because it's so beautiful. You can use it for Christmas too, because I was planning on doing the red, gold, and silver for this year for Christmas, and I think it's a good color for me to keep. So it's not only for Valentine. I'm gonna just do some decor with it for Christmas. Keep watching. I really need to upgrade this vacuum because not only it's heavy and then it's so aggravated with this cord. I get these flowers at Hobby Lobby. They are so pretty and they look so real. is a finished look, guys. I wanted something whenever you come inside the house, you will see the beauty. They say, welcome, love. Okay, guys, it's so pretty. The red, the pink, the blush, everything, they go well together. So I like it so much. If you guys do like it too, so give me a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? I love you all and thank you for your support. Keep on watching.